Hi everybody! We're gonna sing the sounds of the alphabet, and it's gonna be so much fun, and I want you to help me sing it. Hey, let's start with the letter A. A is for apple, apple, and B is for baby, baby, and C is for cat, cat, and D is for dog, dog. It's the sounds of the alphabet, the sounds of the alphabet, the sounds of the alphabet. Can you sing it with me? And E is for elephant, elephant, and F is for fish, fish, and G is for goat, goat, and H is for horse, horse, and I is for igloo, igloo. It's the sound of the alphabet, the sound of the alphabet, the sound of the alphabet. Can you sing it with me? And J is for jam, jam, and K is for kite, kite, and L is for lion, lion, and M is for monkey, monkey. It's the sounds of the alphabet, the sounds of the alphabet, the sounds of the alphabet. You can sing it with me. And N is for nest, nest, and O is for octopus, octopus, and P is for pig, pig, and Q is for queen, she's royalty, queen. It's the sounds of the alphabet, the sounds of the alphabet, the sounds of the alphabet. Can you sing it with me? R is for rainbow, rainbow, and S is for snake, snake, and T is for turtle, turtle, and U is for umbrella, umbrella. It's the sounds of the alphabet, the sounds of the alphabet, the sounds of the alphabet. Can you sing it with me? V is for violin, violin, and W is for well, well, and X is for X-ray, X-ray, and Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo, and Z is for zebra,